Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Axolotl token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Axolotl token is a meme inspired cryptocurrency launched in 2025 on the Ethereum and Base blockchains. The project was created by a small independent team focused on community engagement, creativity and accessibility in the digital asset space. The name and concept are inspired by axolotl, an aquatic species recognized by its regenerative abilities and resilience. These tariffs reflect the project's core values of adaptability, growth, and community renewal. AXOME is designed as a community-driven token that leverages the culture impact of meme to foster participation and awareness in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Unlike traditional utility tokens, AXOME emphasizes social engagement and creative collaboration as its primary drives of growth. Axolotl token total supply is 100 billion and circulating supply is also 100 billion. AXOME token is listed on Uniswap V3 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.